Hi guys, good morning. Today I'm going to bake pandesal, homemade pandesal. This is all our ingredients: breadcrumbs and water and oil, salt and butter. You can use unsalted cooked butter and baking powder, yeast, milk and evaporated milk, brown sugar, all-purpose flour, and egg. One egg. Okay, without further ado, we will start. Guys, this recipe is, I'm gonna use the bread machine to make it quick for me. So first thing first is warm water and one fourth warm water and 3 teaspoon, not tablespoon, but teaspoon. Yes. And put one tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon sugar. I use the brown sugar, but you can use the white one if you want to. And mix it and leave it for 5 minutes, and then you will gonna see if it rise. Like they will gonna rise, but except if the yeast is expired, it will not rise. Okay, I'm gonna put that aside, and I'm gonna open the bread maker. Check if it's right. Yeah, a little bit. And there's still 15 minutes left before I cut it. Punch in the middle. Oh, it's done. Gonna deflate it. Okay, I just put this one in here, so deflate it. Two. I just make it a square and like four. Okay, I cut it 4. Okay, get the other one of the 4 and shape it like around a little bit and cut. I use this one. Either you cut slanting or you cut like that, depends. Okay, I cut this one, and then you're gonna roll that one in there and put in the cooking sheets, all of them. After that, preheat the oven 350. Yeah, 350 for 15 minutes. After that, and then you're gonna put in the oven, bake it for 15 minutes. There is my little helper here, and wanted to roll that bread.
It's good.
It's not really perfect. It's the
really
end.
Good.
Okay. Hey, you didn't eat that one. You put it in here, and then let it. I usually put it on the top of the here, so it's warm. and it will rise quick. Let it rise for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Now it's ready. For 15 minutes, the bread is done. Missing one because the little boy ate the dough. Okay, all in all, I got 30 pieces of pandesal.